Hi guys, this is Anuradha here and we are celebrating the 6th anniversary of Golmaal. Golmaal, which is very well known for its modern vintage fashion garments. We are the 6th party. Hello ma'am, would you like to share your experience with Golmaal in the 6th anniversary?
Yes, absolutely. It's been a pleasure to be shopping from the store. I've been coming here regularly since 3 years.
Okay.
Simrita, as the owner, also happens to be my friend. So it's always wonderful to come here, meet her, and also buy some of her very wonderful clothes.
Would you like to share your experience with Golmaal?
I've been shopping and I know Simrita for really long, and I wish her store a lot more, many more years to come. Whenever I wear an outfit from Golmaal, I'm always asked, where is this outfit from? It's so fabulous. And I keep coming back because of that.
I've known Simrita for many, many years, much before Golmaal has been born.
Okay.
And I have always admired her great level of enthusiasm and her entrepreneurial spirit. And it's great to see Golmaal rocking, and look forward to the day when there will be many, many more Golmaal stores in India for all the women who need something like this.
Okay, so if you had to describe Golmaal in one sentence, what it would be and why?
Golmaal is truly Golmaal because it's something which will make the world go round.
This is the first time I'm visiting the stores and all, and I'm really very impressed by the kind of stuff I'm seeing, and such variety of Western and ethnic dresses, and at such reasonable prices. So now maybe after this range they'll come out with their Christmas and New Year range and all. So I'll be surely here with my whole gang over here.
Would you like to share your experience with Golmaal?
I absolutely love the clothes are absolutely just divine. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so if you had to describe Golmaal in one word, what it would be and why?
I would say colorful, modern.
Hi Chitra and welcome to the 6th anniversary of Golmaal. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good here. It's the opening of this store and it's really nice, amazing collection. I really love the collection. All different kind of one pieces from I'm a model. So there are all different kind of one piece with different designs, and it's unique.
Okay, so what is your association with Golmaal?
Golmaal, I know the designer obviously, and I came here and I just saw the collection. It's amazing. I want to buy everything.
Your association with the brand Golmaal, would you like to say something?
I just think she's very unique. It's a very different brand. It has very unique clothing which you don't see everybody else wearing. So when you wear Golmaal, you will be sure to turn heads. That's all I can say.
Today it gives me so much happiness to see them complete 6 years, and they've done a remarkable job, and the outfits are exceptional. The teamwork is good. They are phenomenal, and I wish them the very best. I'm sure they will expand much more and do very well.
So if you had to describe Golmaal in one sentence, what it would be and why?
It's like one sentence. I think you can get everything under one roof. So it's like Golmaal. But उस गोल के अंदर you will get every maal. You want short dresses, you want gowns, you want kurtis, you want anything. I think you just get in that Golmaal.
Modern, but comfortable.
Okay, modern yet very comfortable. Yeah. Okay. What is one thing that always brings you to Golmaal?
Oh, I've been shopping in Golmaal the past 6 years from the time it started, and half my wardrobe is Golmaal. And I think it's really stylish clothes with nice cuts, and you can wear it for any occasion. They look simple, but when you wear it, I think it all changes for you.
So Simrita, hi. So how was the day and what was your feeling in this big day, 6th year of your goal?
Oh, it feels absolutely wonderful. It is just amazing how the time has flown by. And I think when you do something with passion and open heart and just put everything into it, it just goes by very quickly. I'm just so happy that everyone loves our product, everyone is really enjoying wearing our clothes, and I love to see girls love fashion, love Golmaal, and that makes my day.
Golmaal is your baby, right? So you've seen Golmaal, this time you've begun. So what do you think? How far, it's been able to make it success?
I think Golmaal has grown a lot from the day it started. We started with a vision to change the way fashion is bought and sold. And we just wanted to do something very original, very different, and just make fashion accessible to everyone. So we wanted to sell affordable fashion. So, and we still do that, and we're going to continue to do that for a long, long time.
Okay, so any future plans for Golmaal in the recent future? Anything that you would like to come up with something new? And what do you think that Golmaal, makes it different from the lot?
I think we are just going to keep pushing boundaries. So every day we get into the design lab, the idea is to create something which people would wear and people would love. And I think the motivation is that you get stopped on the road and everyone says, "Oh my God, I love what you're wearing."
Okay. So you want to go do something where Golmaal will take you beyond imagination.
Exactly. Make women look beautiful. Make girls look powerful, beautiful, and just enjoy themselves and enjoy just carrying whatever they are wearing and just loving life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Golmaal. Happy birthday to you.
गाने वाला था
नहीं Good evening, sir. So, how do you feel today's evening? There is the 6th anniversary of your daughter's Golmaal. She's actually born, in front of you. What's your take on it?
Yeah, it is a great day. It's so nice to see everyone here in celebrations. And I wish them all the very best and more success. That's it.
You've seen Golmaal for the past 6 years. You've seen it growing. So how do you feel? After it has completed its 6 years so successfully, people talking so good about. It's actually come up in one. So how do you feel?
Yeah, in 6 years, it's taken a big stride. And this year I can see a big change. And it's beautiful. The dresses have improved, the stitching and everything. I think it's a good achievement over a period of time.
Hi Suresh, and you're here in the 6th anniversary of Golmaal. So you have organized the whole event. So how has been for you, the journey?
Let's start it with the main thing is the opportunities mainly matters. and as Simrita ji has given me the opportunity to do this event, that I feel like the most important things that I got this to do, and then to prove as in the event how it went off, and I feel people are so wonderful who come here, seen the designer wares, and hopefully the anniversary will come on 6 to 60th, 60th to 120th. It will go a long time. Okay, and so each and everyone I hope so it will come to me and I will do it much better than what I did right now, and will be doing in